I want to take just a couple of minutes to tell you what you can expect at the event and explain why coming to this masterclass can launch you into financial freedom. Without the right people, starting a new path can be a little scary. That's why many of our students are so excited to be in the same room with like-minded people, a free guest, and in good care of our expert tax lien code personnel who start out just like many of you are right now. When you arrive at the venue, our tax lien code experts will be waiting to check you in and scan your ticket. If you opted for a free guidebook, look for that in the mail a few days prior to the event. If not, we'll give you one when you get there. This is just the start of your journey to massive passive wealth. My team and I have put in so much work to make this happen for you. Our seats are in high demand and we're so glad that you reserved yours. Truth is, there's 3 reasons why people don't succeed in their investments. Number 1, it just costs too much money. Number 2, they're on their own and don't have the know-how. And finally, number 3, it's just too much work. At Tax Lien Code, we've eliminated these challenges for you. We'll guide you through a step-by-step program to show you how a tax lien works, where to find them, and how to invest in the highest rate of return for you to earn passively. It took me years of failing and succeeding to learn what my team and I will be teaching you. We've spent countless hours making sure that every bit of information you receive can be implemented right away and allow you to jumpstart into becoming financially independent. We all have different reasons why we want to build generational wealth. Mine are to ensure my family and generations to follow are well taken care of, especially during times like this, to be totally free to spend time with them and do whatever I want, and to help other people just like you do the exact same thing. We're about to open your eyes to the possibilities of passive income and potentially changing your world with your newfound roadmap to financial independence, just like the other 40,000 people that we've taught. We're grateful to have you on this journey with us. We'll see you soon.